Every exceptional rattan table begins with patience, precision, and skilled hands. The journey starts with hand weaving. Each strand of natural rattan is carefully woven into the wooden frame, one weave at a time, creating a strong, beautiful surface that showcases the timeless artistry of traditional craftsmanship. Once the weaving is complete, the table moves to the next stage, hand engraving. Using carving tools, skilled artisans carefully engrave intricate patterns into the solid wood. Every cut is made by hand, giving each table its own unique character and celebrating the rich heritage of handcrafted furniture. After the carving is finished, every surface is sanded smooth, removing any rough edges while preserving the fine details. The table is then carefully stained and finished to enhance the natural beauty of both the wood and the woven rattan. Finally, the completed table undergoes a thorough quality inspection to ensure every weave is secure. Every carving is flawless and every joint is built to last. The result is more than just a coffee table. It's a handcrafted masterpiece where natural rattan, solid wood, and timeless artistry come together to create the heart of your living room. Handcrafted with passion, built to last, designed to be admired.